Hi, I'm Judy Julin, educational trendsetter and parent and child relationship expert. I help multitasked parent employees, their children, their teachers, and their family-friendly companies to succeed in reaching their highest potential through a uniquely integrative approach. In today's video, I'm going to speak specifically about what's next. What could be in our educational future? What could this thing formerly known as education actually look and feel like? You're going to find out. Have you ever heard the phrase, do as I say, not as I do? Children, it turns out, actually do both. Children learn and imitate behaviors by watching and listening to others. This is sometimes called observational learning, when children can learn things simply by observing. The models do not have to be people that the children directly interact with. Children learn from models all around them, on television, in the grocery store, at school, and at home. I'm going to share some tips on how to give your child opportunities to witness and experience modeling in positive ways. But before I do, we're going to take a quantum leap into the future of what was formerly known as education. I want you to know that where we're headed in this new world of learning involves something beyond any tips that you might receive. Are you ready for this? The most important and most powerful teaching method in what will formerly be known as education is silent, invisible, and especially for kids, 100% more powerful than watching or listening. Can you guess what it is? It's feeling. Kids are like sponges from birth on. They feel and sense with their natural radar system, what we adults refer to as intuition, what the people in their midst are feeling and even thinking. So when your child asks you if everything is all right and you say, yes, and it's not all right in actuality, but you don't want to upset your child or look anything but solidly together for them, this is truly a disservice to them and you. Early on, our children are given mixed messages when the adults in their midst, parents, relatives, caregivers, and even teachers are feeling one way and don't speak their truth about their feelings when asked. In this way, we are giving children subtle messages to not share how they are feeling and that masking your feelings is okay. Authenticity, or being genuine inside and out, is super important in what was formerly known as education. Kids are learning all the time in extrasensory ways beyond their school books, beyond the internet, and beyond their remote lessons. They are learning from our unspoken feelings, thoughts, and even subconscious wounds we hold. So get ready to experience what was formerly known as education and even parenting as you begin to more and more watch closely and carefully your thoughts, share your feelings, and heal your emotional wounds. That's the biggest gift we can offer the next generations. And that, my friends, is the next big frontier to explore in learning, bringing into balance your inner and outer worlds. Okay, back to my tips. These are still important if you promise not to forget our quantum leap in education, having to do with those silent, powerful teachers. Authenticity, being genuine, and personal healing. Tip number 1, do your best to surround your children with constructive models and situations where positive behaviors are reinforced. Tip number 2, when it comes to a child's behavior, you will often get more of the behaviors you are noticing, so catch your child doing something good. It is my mission to impact the way we educate our youth in positive and powerful ways. We can all support each other, especially our youth, in being our best, our healthiest, authentic selves that sometimes fall down and then get back up in our own sweet time. Bye-bye for now. Till next time.